Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the sound design channel. My name is FurCloud, and in today's tutorial, we're going to be making an asset style lead using Serum. So this is how it sounds. If you like this patch, you can find it in the pack linked below. It's called Dimensions Volume 2 for Serum. Now let's copy the MIDI and let's recreate the sound. Duplicate the track and let's initialize the preset, and let's just make Serum a little bigger like this. Now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the filter, and we're going to select the MG Low 24, and we're going to filter oscillator A, B, and the noise, and let's just add a little bit of drive to around 26%, 27. Now let's go to oscillator A and let's select our wavetable. We're going to go to spectral and we're going to select the monster 7. Let's turn the octave to -1. Let's add a little bit of unison to 5, and let's just turn down the detune to 0.18 just a little bit, and let's turn the blend to around 95. Now let's turn our wavetable position to around 53, and the level of this oscillator to around 30%. Alright, now let's go to our oscillator B. Let's turn it on and let's select our wavetable. We're going to go to analog and acid here. Let's turn the octave to -1. And let's turn the unison to 4. And now let's turn the wavetable position to around 86. And let's select the sync mode here, which we're going to use a little later. And we're going to turn the level of this oscillator to 100%. Now let's turn on the noise, and let's just add a little bit of noise and have the level at 29%, 28, 29. And now let's go to our envelope 1 and let's create our shape here. Let's have the release at around 190 milliseconds, like that. And now let's go to our envelope 2, and this envelope we're going to attach this to the filter cutoff like that, and to the sync of oscillator B. Now for this envelope we're going to add a little bit more release to around 500 milliseconds, just like that. Alright, that's perfect. Now let's go to our effects section and let's turn on distortion. Let's turn the drive to around 75% and mix of this to 19, or and the mix to 16%. Now let's turn on our phaser and let's just turn the mix of this to around 27%. Delay. And we're going to keep it as it is, as well as reverb. Yeah, so we're done with the sound. If you like this patch, you can find it in the pack linked below. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.